Well, just showing up to this customer's house because the system isn't cooling. You say it's blowing air inside, just not blowing cold air. The unit's not doing anything. First thing I'm going to do is remove this panel. Okay, just got the panel pulled off and it is all bubbled up. So 100% capacitor is blown. Also, this contactor, look how burn up and pitted it is. This condenser coil is completely flat. 90% of the unit, look, it's all flat. The fan blade, let's see. Oh, it is tight. Fan blade's really tight. But again, this coil completely flat, and it's like that all the way around this thing. Look, flat, can't breathe at all. It's an R22 refrigerant system, which is the refrigerant they stopped manufacturing January 1st of 2020. You can find it, but it's very expensive. I'm going to recommend a new HVAC system. See what he says.